Mr. Lover, now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Ro.
You think that did it? Well, he can fly. Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud! Here it comes! Time's up. Let's see if this works. Come on! Let the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer. Pull, Toothless.
You so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup? He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, is heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master? I alone control the dragons.
Sorry.
Oh, great Dragon Master.
Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been playing hard, said no more counting words, we'll be counting stars.
Stressing every second that I waste is another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage, I just wanna feel okay. Okay, motherfucker, now you got my attention.
What? He jumped! He jumped!
Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
Yep, the rest of us would have done it. So why did he?
There's a world that was meant for us.
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though. So...
Cause I ain't drunk enough to do that.